से सरला पूरे. Which of the following hormones is secreted by the beta cells of islets of Langerhans of pancreas? Glucagon, adrenaline,
Insulin.
insulin, aldosterone.
Insulin.
Insulin, बढ़िया. Insulin hormone is secreted by the beta cells of islet of Langerhans of pancreas. The function of mammary glands is regulated by a hormone known as what? The function of mammary glands is regulated by which hormone? Oxytocin, prolactin, thyroxine, vasopressin.
Prolactin.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Oxytocin.
The function of mammary glands is regulated by prolactic hormone. Which of the following is known as growth hormone? Pituitary, pancreas, thyroid, adrenaline.
Pituitary.
Pituitary, बहुत बढ़िया. Which hormone is associated with insulin? Pancreas, thyroid, adrenal.
Pancreas.
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 Pituitary gland is located in which part? Intestine, brain, liver, kidney.
Brain.
Liver.
Brain.
Liver. Sorry, kidney.
Brain.
Brain.
Brain. The exocrine endocrine organ of the body secreting trypsinogen is what? The exocrine and endocrine organ of the body that secretes trypsinogen is what? Liver, pancreas, pituitary, spleen. Both
Liver.
ହେଲା ମାନେ mixed gland ହବ.
Liver.
Pancreas. Pancreas is endodermal in origin, that is mixture of both exocrine and endocrine organ. Situated between limbs of C-shaped duodenum. It secretes trypsinogen. Which gland in human body acts both as endocrine and exocrine gland? Thyroid, pancreas, adrenal,
Pancreas.
lacrimal.
Pancreas.
Pancreas, very good. The malfunctioning of thyroid gland is due to deficiency of what?
Iodine.
Vitamin A, iodine, calcium, iron. Iodine.
Iodine.
Iodine. Which hormone is preceded is which hormone in preceded is pancreas? Insulin, gastrin, galanin, thyroxine.
Insulin.
Insulin. The female sex organ is what? Estrogen, androgen, insulin, oxytocin.
Estrogen.
Estrogen.
Estrogen. Estrogen. Which cells secrete androgen hormones in human being? Which cells secrete androgen hormones in human being? Sertoli, germinal, cells of Leydig, mucous cells.
Germinal.
Which cells secrete androgen hormones in human being? Leydig cells. The Leydig cells are interstitial cells which are present in the tubular spaces produce a group of hormones called androgen hormones, mainly testosterone. Leydig cells. Leydig. Most essential substance for brain cells to work is what? Most essential substance for brain cells. Vitamins, hormones, glucose, none of these.
Hormones.
Hormone.
Hormones. Most essential substance for brain cells to work is hormones. In which part of the body serotonin hormone is produced? Spleen, intestine, thyroid gland, pituitary gland.
Pituitary.
Intestine. Intestine. Adrenaline is the common name for which hormone? Thyroxine, melatonin, testosterone, epinephrine. Which hormone is also known as adrenaline?
Thyroxine.
କେହି କହିଲ କି?
Epinephrine.
Epinephrine, very good. Epinephrine. The largest gland of human body is what? Thymus, thyroid, liver, pancreas.
Liver.
Liver.
Liver. And largest endocrine gland?
Largest organ.
Thyroid.
Skin. Oh, sorry.
Thyroid.
Gland.
Next. The pituitary gland does not control which of the following function? Sleep cycle, physical growth, blood pressure, metabolism.
Blood pressure.
Blood pressure.
Physical growth.
It does not control blood pressure. Who controls blood pressure?
Adrenaline.
Brain.
Adrenaline, very good. Cholesterol is a what? Enzyme, vitamin, steroid, insecticide.
Steroid.
Steroid.
Steroid. Steroid.
Steroid, बिल्कुल. Steroid hormones. In human body, which hormone regulates blood, calcium, and phosphate? Blood, calcium, and phosphate. Glucagon, growth hormone, parathyroid hormone, thyroxine.
Growth hormone.
Which hormone regulates blood, calcium, and phosphate? PTH. PTH.
Parathyroid hormone.
Parathyroid hormone. It is secreted by parathyroid glands. Its main action is to mobilize calcium from bone and increase urinary phosphate creation, excretion. Insulin is secreted by what? Gonads, pancreas, liver, spleen.
Pancreas.
Pancreas. Yes.
Yes.
Pancreas. Insulin is a what? Steroid, carbohydrate, protein, fat.
Steroid.
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 Protein. Insulin is a protein according to option. Sorry, steroid, steroid. अरे स्टेरॉइड ना प्रोटीन ମୁଁ ନିଜେ କନଫ୍ୟୁଜ ହେଇଗଲି प्रोटीन ହେଲା प्रोटीन not steroid which of the following is a hormone RNA insulin ascorbic acid invertase
Insulin.
Insulin.
insulin insulin regulates metabolism of what in human system fat carbohydrate protein nucleic acid
Carbohydrate.
Carbohydrate.
The
carbohydrate
protein.
very
Oh,
good
sorry,
carbohydrate
carbohydrate.
insulin regulates carbohydrate metabolism in human system. It is released by beta cells of islets of Langerhans. The hormone insulin is produced in what? Pancreas, kidney, liver, pituitary gland.
Pancreas.
Pancreas.
ଶୋଇଛ କି ନାହିଁ ଜାଣିବା ପାଇଁ ପଚାରୁଛି
ସାର୍ ଶୁଭୁନି କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟୁଟ
ଶୁଭୁନି
ନାହିଁ ବହୁତ ଜୋର ସେ ପାଟି ହଉଛି କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟୁଟ ନାହିଁ ବହୁତ ଜୋର ସେ ପାଟି ହଉଛି କ୍ଲିୟର ଶୁଭୁନି
କ'ଣ କରିବ ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ରୁମ୍ରେ ସବୁ କିଛି ହେଉଛି ଆଉ କ'ଣ କରିବା ଦ ମିନେରାଲ ରିଲିଜ୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ
ନାଇଁ
ସ୍ୱେଟ୍ ଇଜ୍
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନୁହଁ ଆଉ କାହାର
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଆଚ୍ଛା ଦ ମିନେରାଲ ରିଲିଜ୍ଡ ୱିଥ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ ସ୍ୱେଟ୍
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଆଉ କାହାର ନାହିଁ।
ଆଉ କାହାର ନୁହଁ
ସାର୍ ଚଳିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଚଳିବ।
ମ୍ୟାନେଜ କର କ'ଣ କରିବା ଆଉ କୁହ
ହଁ ହଁ ଚଳିବ।
ଦ ମିନେରାଲ
ହଁ ସାର୍ ଚଳିବ।
The mineral released with human sweat is what? Sulfur, magnesium, iron, zinc. The mineral released
Magnesium.
human sweating is what? Sulfur, magnesium, iron, zinc.
Zinc.
Magnesium. On average, sweating रे थाए mineral composition सबुठु highest थाए sodium 0.9 gram per liter, potassium 0.2 gram per liter, calcium 0.015 gram per liter, magnesium 0.0013 gram per liter. ଆଉ ସ୍ୱେଟିଂ ରେ ସବୁଠୁ ମ୍ୟାକ୍ସିମମ୍ କୋଉ ଟ୍ରେସ୍ ମେଟାଲ ଥାଏ ଜାଣିଛ ଯୋଉଟା ଏକ୍ସକ୍ରେଟ୍ ହୁଏ ଜିଙ୍କ
ଏଇଟା
ଜିଙ୍କ ଥାଏ ଦେନ୍ ଥାଏ କପର ଦେନ୍ ଆଇରନ୍ କ୍ରୋମିୟମ୍ ନିକେଲ ଲିଡ୍ ଏମାନେ ଥାଏ What is the main use of sweat? To maintain body temperature, to maintain water in body, to release body toxins, to remove dirt from the pores of the skin.
Maintain body temperature.
Body temp-
To
body
maintain
temperature.
body temperature. Very good. Which of the following is a female sex hormone? Androsterone, estrogen, testosterone, thyroxine.
ଏଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଜେନ।
Estrogen, very good.
Estrogen.
Estrogen. The smallest gland in the human body is what? Thyroid, pituitary, pancreas, adrenal.
Pituitary.
Pituitary, बढ़िया.
pituitary,
Which hormone is associated with fight or flight concept? Insulin, estrogen, adrenaline, oxytocin.
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline, very good. Secretion of which hormone increases heartbeat and produces a feeling of excitement? Cortisol, adrenaline,
Adrenaline.
testosterone, insulin.
Adrenaline.
Adrenaline,
Adrenaline.
adrenaline,
बिल्कुल. By whom estrogen is produced? By whom? Egg, corpus luteum, uterus, follicles. Biology में
follicle,
Follicle.
follicle बिल्कुल. Estrogen is a steroid hormone released by Graafian follicle, which is not a protein. Collagen, oxytocin, keratin, fibrin.
Oxytocin.
Oxytocin.
Oxytocin. Oxytocin is a hormone. Hugging and kissing of mother to her baby initiates which hormone for secretion? Insulin, oxytocin, follicular, noradrenaline.
Oxytocin.
oxytocin,
Oxytocin, बिल्कुल. It is also known as cuddle hormone or love hormone. The largest gland in human body is what? Pancreas, liver, salivary, adrenal.
Liver.
Liver.
Liver,
liver,
बिल्कुल liver. Which hormone increases egg reproduction in women? Estrogen, progesterone,
Estrogen.
luteinizing
Estrogen.
hormone, follicle stimulating hormone.
Follicle stimulating hormone.
LH. LH ମାନେ କ'ଣ?
Luteinizing.
Luteinizing.
Luteinizing hormone. Which gland in human body is ductless? Liver, sweat gland, endocrine gland, kidney. Ductless.
Endocrine gland.
Endocrine, बिल्कुल.
Sweat
All
gland.
all
Sweat gland.
endocrine glands are ductless. Which hormone stimulates the thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine? FSH, TSH, LTH, ACTH. Which hormone stimulates the thyroid gland to
FSH.
secrete thyroxine?
SH.
T for thyroid, TSH. Thyroid stimulating hormone is the hormone that stimulates thyroid gland to secrete thyroxine. Which hormone is injected to cows and buffaloes to make the milk descend to the udders? Somatotropin, interferon, oxytocin, insulin.
Oxytocin.
Oxytocin, बिल्कुल.
Tropin.
Which gland secretes oxytocin hormone? Pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal.
Pituitary.
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 Pituitary gland secretes the milk ejection hormone oxytocin. Iodine containing hormone is what? Adrenaline, insulin, thyroxine, testosterone.
Thyroxine.
thyroxine,
Thyroxine. Thyroxine.
Thyroxine.
Thyroxine.
Which of the following changes is catalyzed by enzyme trypsin? Protein to peptone, protein to peptide, protein to amino acid, starch to glucose.
Protein to peptide.
Protein to peptone.
Enzyme trypsin released by pancreas catalyzes protein to amino acid. Which metal is present in insulin? Tin, zinc, copper, aluminum.
Zinc.
Zinc, very good. At what age enzymes required to digest milk, renin, and lactase disappear in the human body? At what age? 2 years, 5 years, 3 years, 8 years.
ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆଙ୍କର
2 years.
5 year.
8 years. Renin and lactase, the enzymes required to digest milk, disappear in human body by the age of 8 years. Which organ secretes insulin hormone? Heart, pancreas, liver, kidney.
Pancreas.
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 Pancreas. Which is not correctly matched କହିବ hormone ଆଉ function କୁ ନେଇକି. Oxytocin, release of milk from mammary glands, ठीक ना भूल?
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ठीक
Think
ଅଛି।
of the
ठीक ଅଛି। Melatonin, regulation of sleep,
ଭୁଲ
ନାଇଁ।
ଅଛି।
ନାଇଁ
think of both.
ठीक ଅଛି।
ଗ୍ରୀନ କଲର।
ଠିକ ଅଛି। Insulin, regulation of blood
ठीक
glucose,
ଅଛି।
ଠିକ
ଠିକ
ଅଛି।
Think
ଅଛି
of the
ठीक ଅଛି।
gastrin, regulation of blood pressure,
ନାଇଁ
ଏଇଟା
ଭୁଲ
ଭୁଲ
ଅଛି
ହେଇଥିବ।
whole.
ଭୁଲ
ଭୁଲ
ଅଛି। ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ବିଲକୁଲ। ନେକ୍ସଟ କଣ ଥିଲା? ପୁରା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ହେଇଗଲା ଗ୍ଲାଣ୍ଡ। ଆଉ କଣ ଥିଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ? ବୋଟାନିକାଲ ନେମ୍ ଥିଲା ନା?
हाँ
ସେଟା କୋଉ ଟପିକ ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଆସେ?
ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚରରେ।
ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର ନାମ ସତରେ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର କଣ ଥାଏ ବାୟୋଲୋଜିରେ କିଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବାୟୋଲୋଜିରେ କଣ ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର ଥାଏ କିଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସାର୍ ସେଇଟା ତ ନୋମେନକ୍ଲେଚର ନା, ଯୋଉ ଜେନସ୍ ସ୍ପେସିସ୍ ହବ ନେମ୍ ଟା ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଫିକ ନେମ୍।
ତମର ବାୟୋଲୋଜି ଥିଲା କି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ତାହେଲେ ମୁଁ ଆଉ କଣ କହିବି? ଫାଇଭ କିଙ୍ଗଡମ କ୍ଲାସିଫିକେସନ କିଏ ବାହାର କରିଥିଲେ?
ରବର୍ଟ ହୁଇଟେକର।
आगे से बेटा कुटा कर
रॉबर्ट विटाकर, बहुत बढ़िया। ଛାଡ଼ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି। ହଉ ଟିକେ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବକ୍ସ ପଚାରିଦେବି ଆଉ। କ୍ଲୋଭ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍? रूट, फ्रूट, स्टेम, फ्लावर बर्ड।
सेम।
ଫ୍ଲାୱାର ବଡ।
फ्लावर बर्ड बिल्कुल।
सॉरी फ्लावर।
Saffron is a dry mixture of what and what? Saffron is a dry mixture of what and what? Leaves and stems, cloves and roots, flower and seed forming part, seeds and buds.
फ्लावर एंड
flower and
प्लांट।
seed forming part.
बिल्कुल, saffron is a dry mixture of flower and seed forming part. A clove represents which of the following? Terminal bud, accessory bud, flower bud, vegetative bud.
वेजिटेटिव फूड।
ଫ୍ଲାୱାର ବଡ।
फ्लावर बर्ड
Flower bud. Which is the longest flower in the world? Lotus, sunflower, rafflesia, glory lily.
राफ्लेसी
ରାଫଲେସିଆ। ରାଫଲେସିଆ।
राफ्लेसिया।
Rafflesia. In terms of life cycle, what is the main organ of plant? Leaf, root, flower, stem.
रूट
रूट।
ସେମ୍।
Flower.
Root.
In terms of life cycle, flower is the main organ of plant. In tomato, red color is due to what? Lycopene, anthocyanin, xanthophiles, none of these.
ଲାଇକୋପିନ୍।
एंथोसियानिन।
लाइकोपिन
Lycopene.
ଲାଇକୋପିନ୍।
लाइकोपिन
Lycopene, बिल्कुल. Among the following, which is not a true fruit? Not a true fruit. Apple, date, grape, plum.
डेट
Apple. Apple is not a current player. Which of the following is used for ripening of fruit? Isoproton, intrazine, melithion, ethephon.
एक्सेल फॉर्म।
Hexagon.
F1.
बहुत
Hexagon.
बढ़िया, ethephon is used to promote fruit ripening. The gas used for artificial ripening of raw fruits is what? Ethane, acetylene, oxytocin, carbon dioxide.
Acetylene.
ଏସିଟିନ୍।
Acetylene. Morphine is obtained from what? flower, fruit, leaf, stem. Morphine.
Flower
fruit
କିଛି flower
fruit
ଓପିୟମରେ ଦେଖା ମିଳିଥାଏ ମୁଖ୍ୟତଃ। Fruit.
flower
Flower,
Fruit.
flower.
Fruit. Morphine is obtained from fruit. Which of the following fruit is a nut? Coconut, lychee, betel nut, groundnut.
Betelnut.
groundnut
Groundnut,
lychee
groundnut, groundnut.
Lychee. Lychee is a nut.
Oh,
Botanically. କେତେ ଖତରନାକ ନାଇଁ? ବୋଲ୍ଡ ହେଇଗଲେ ସମସ୍ତେ।
apple fruit ନୁହଁ ଲିଚି ନଟ
groundnut not. No.
ବାୟୋଲୋଜିରେ ସବୁ କିଛି ପସିବୁଲ। Which is an insectivorous plant? Ghatparni, passion flower, ratrani, wild plus.
wild
Wild plus.
ଘାଟପର୍ନି ଏଟା କଣ? ମୁଁ ତ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଶୁଣିଲି ଆଜି। ଘାଟପର୍ନି କଣ? ଇଜ ଆନ୍ ଇନସେକ୍ଟିଭରସ୍ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ, ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ପିଚର ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟ। Which part of the plant stimulates on becoming flower? Stem, leaves, roots, branches.
fruits
Leaves.
Leaves.
Leaves stimulate on becoming flowers. Which is a stem? Sweet potato, carrot, ginger, turnip.
Ginger.
Carrot, carrot.
ginger
Ginger.
Ginger, बिल्कुल। We find turmeric from which part of plant? Stem, root, fruit,
Stem.
flower.
Stem, stem,
root
root
stem.
Stem
Stem.
नुहे stem stem नुहे stem. Which is not a root? Potato, radish, carrot, turnip.
turmeric
Potato.
turmeric
Potato is a stem. Which is a modified stem? Carrot, potato, sweet potato, coconut.
Sweet potato.
carrot
Sweet potato.
Potato is a modified stem. Potato is a what? Root, fruit, tuber, bulb.
Stem.
tuber
Tuber.
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 Tuber. Which part of potato is edible? Stem, root,
Stem,
seed, fruit. Stem, बिल्कुल।
stem.
Which of the following eatable part of the plant is not modification of root? Sweet potato, asparagus, potato, carrot.
potato
Potato. Potato is not the modification of root. Stem is not the collecting part of which of the following plants? Stem is not the collecting part. Sugarcane, potato, sweet potato, ginger.
potato
Sweet potato. Not କହିଥିଲି ବା stem is not a collecting part. Sweet potato ସେଟା root ସେଟା। Next. ମିଳିଗଲା ଯାହା ଖୋଜୁଥିଲି। What is the botanical name of opium? Emblica officinalis,
Python.
Papaver somniferum, Rauwolfia serpentina, Cinchona species.
cinchona
third ଟା କି
Papaver somniferum. Botanical name.
ପାଗଳା ହେଇଯିବ
କଣ? Botanical name of opium 2017 ପଡ଼ିଥିଲା। Next. The characteristic odor of garlic is due to what? A chlorine compound, a fluorine compound, a sulfur compound, acetic acid.
Sulfur compound.
sulfur compound
Sulfur.
Sulfur compound, बिल्कुल। Which of the following material is found in garlic? Ripocin, allicin, nicotine, azadirachtin.
allicin
Allicin.
Allicin.
Allicin is an organosulfur compound obtained from garlic, which is a common adulterant of mustard oil seeds, poppy seeds, prickly seeds, cumin seeds, none of these.
Second,
Mustard oil seeds are common adulterant कोटा. None of these.
second,
None of these. Argemone oil seeds हव answer. मुख्यतः मस्टार्ड ऑयल सहित आर्जिमोन ऑयल सीड्स मिसा जाए टू इंक्रीज इट्स क्वांटिटी. लिखा ही था ना सोरसो तेल रे.
ଖାଇଦଉ ତ ଜାଣିନୁ।
Peeling of onions causes tears as onions release which acid?
Sulfenic.
Sulfur.
Sulfenic.
Sulfonic,
Sulfenic.
sulfonic acid, sulfenic
Sul-
acid, carbolic acid,
Sulfen.
amino acid.
Sulfonic acid.
Sulfenic acid, sulfenic acid. It is important to note that on peeling of onion, an enzyme called alliinase is released, and the enzyme converts sulfoxide present in onions into sulfenic acid. The botanical name of दरकार नहीं.
Option, sir.
दरकार ही नहीं ऑप्शन केमती हम. Seeds of sunflower plant contain what? Alkaloids, oils, crystals, dyes.
oils,
कलर्ड
Oils, बिल्कुल oils. What is the scientific name of दरकार नहीं.
mm,
Which of the following is called as fire of forest? Fire of forest. Bohinia variegata, Tectona grandis, Jacaranda mimisofolia, Butea monosperma.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡଟା ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି।
फायर ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट କାହାକୁ କହନ୍ତି?
3 number.
jacanda,
ଗୋଟେ ଗଛ ଏଟା ହେଲା. ବ୍ୟୁଟିଆ ମୋନୋସ୍ପର୍ମା. ବ୍ୟୁଟିଆ ମୋନୋସ୍ପର୍ମା. ଭଗବାନ ଜାଣେ କେମିତି ଗଛ. ଛାଡ଼. Which of the following is not derived from wild cabbage? Wild cabbage ରୁ କ'ଣ ବାହାରେ ନାହିଁ? Cauliflower, kohlrabi, broccoli, spinach.
Cauliflower.
spinach,
बिल्कुल
Spinach?
spinach. Spinach କ'ଣ? Spinach କ'ଣ?
ପାଳଙ୍ଗ ଶାଗ।
ଶାଗ
Mutton.
ବଢିଆ ପାଳଙ୍ଗ ଶାଗ.
ପାଳଙ୍ଗ।
Ficus bengalensis is the scientific name of what? Brinjal, people,
ବାନିଅନ ଟ୍ରି
banyan,
banyan tree,
Banyan tree.
ବାନିଅନ।
banyan, बिल्कुल. Tulsi plant has medicinal values due to presence of what? Organic acid, inorganic acid, phenols and flavonoids, lithium bicarbonate.
Phenol.
Phenols and flavonoids, बिल्कुल. Tulsi plant has medicinal value due to the presence of phenols and flavonoids. Insectivorous plants grow in soil deficient in what? Calcium, magnesium, nitrogen, water.
What?
Nitrogen.
ନାଇଟ୍ରୋଜେନ
Nitrogen, बिल्कुल. कम कर. Which of the following is called a living fossil? Fossil. Dryopteris, Pinus, Cycus, Ginkgo.
ଶୁଭିଲାନି କିଛି।
Sai.
ଶୁଣି ଶୁଭିଲାନି ସେମିତି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଛାଡ଼. ପଚାରିଦେଲେ ଭୁଲଟେ ଗୋଟେ. Which of the following has no flowers? Jackfruit, orchid, fern, gular.
ଫନ୍
fern, fern,
Jackfruit.
Fern, बिल्कुल. तो फ्लावरलेस प्लांट को कौन कहती?
Cryophyll.
ଆଞ୍ଜିଓସ୍ପର୍ମ
କୋଉ କାହା ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଆସନ୍ତି? ଟେରିଡୋଫାଇଟା. Lichens are mixed organisms which are made from what and what? Algae and bacteria, fungi and algae,
ଭାଇ
fungi and
ଆଲଜି ଆଉ
bacteria.
ଫଙ୍ଗି।
Algae or fungi?
fungi and
ଆଲଜି
algae,
ଫଙ୍ଗି
बिल्कुल fungi and algae. Fungi and algae. କିଏ କହିଲା?
mm,
ସମସ୍ତେ
ସବୁ କହିଲେ।
ସମସ୍ତେ,
ସବୁ କହିଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା ଲାଗିଲା. ନେକ୍ସଟ. Most of the oxygen